What's the meaning of Béarnaise sauce? Béarnaise sauce. Béarnaise sauce.
Béarnaise sauce. Béarnaise sauce. Béarnaise sauce is a classic French sauce made from a reduction of vinegar, shallots, tarragon, and chervil, which is then blended with egg yolks and melted butter to create a rich, creamy and flavorful sauce. It is often served with grilled meats, fish, eggs or vegetables and is a popular accompaniment to steak in particular. The sauce has a tangy and slightly acidic taste, punctuated by the herbal notes of tarragon and chervil, and is known for its velvety texture and glossy appearance. When done well, Béarnaise sauce can elevate a dish to new heights, adding depth, richness, and complexity to any meal.